Yo guys, so today is I'm just gonna go around and be savage. What do you say? No. There's no intro because I don't have intro maker. Yeah. Oh, what's these drops? I've got 5 there. I was gonna say crossbar. I was gonna. Oh, I mean, no idea. Crossbar. I'm calling down the middle. I'll do some call out, but no keeper. No. Right, we'll go bottom right. Oh, that's horrendous! I'll go middle next. Again. Hope we score middle. Yes! Straight down the middle. Right. I'll go bottom left. Oh no! Did that go bottom left? No. I'm gonna say it didn't cross the line. Right, top right. Oh, yes! That one. I synced top right. I've only got. I'll do 4 rounds of call up. So I've got 3 rounds left. Right, top left. That's the only place I've got to go. Oh! Right. Restart. Top right. Oh yes! Right, top right is complete. So next is top left. I'm gonna go top left. Yes! Come on, right. I've got middle, bottom left, and bottom right. Then only for 3 places I've got. Right, middle. Oh no! Right, I'll go middle again. Right, I did that powerful as well. So I'll go bottom left. Yes, straight into bottom left. That one's side netting. Right, now I've only got bottom right. Bottom right. Oh no! Right, I need to keep on going till I get it bottom left. I think I'm cheating. See the bottom. Right, bottom right still. Oh! Right, bottom right. Yes! Come on. Right. Now, I'm going to do the woodwork challenge. We'll do crossbar challenge. And we'll do some shooting then. Right, I'm going to go right post. Oh, I whacked that as well. Right. Right post again. Oh! It hit the same place on the fence. I'm still going to get it. Yes! There's one gone. So, got a crossbar and left post. I'm going to go left post now. I'll leave crossbar left. Still left. I'll try and curl this one on the outside of my boot. I did that left foot, so. Right. The left foot is. Oh my god, that went top. That sinked top corner. Right. Left post. Oh, I don't want to hit there. Left post is so hot. Probably use got cringing. I'm so bad. Oh no! Starting to spit. Okay. Just so get some practice. It might chuck it down, so I'm gonna go left post. No. No, I'm going to count the Rabona one I did. So, no. That hit. It hit the back of it, but as soon as it's going to rain, I'm going to count it. Right. Right, crossbar now. Try the first try. Oh! Skinners don't count. Wait, skinners do count. Right. Right. I'm going to do it properly. I'm going to whack it. Yes, come on. Right. Just do the left post, and then I'm going to end it. Just want to do a shot, and then I'm going to. Right. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, like, and have a good weekend. Bye.